Whether you're buying or selling your home, get the benefit of expertise.
Hey, well, compliments to the show. You're really hitting on the subjects and you're telling the truth. I appreciate you.
Meet the team at dangemus.com. And now, filling in for Dan Gemus, your host, Joyce Blackmere.
Welcome back, everyone. Thank you for tuning in today. I'm Joyce Blackmere, Director of Sales and Broker with the Dan Gemus Real Estate Team. I'm filling in for Dan this weekend, not because of his little accident. Just because
he won't live that one down.
No, he will not live that down. For those of you just tuning in, if you're curious about what our fearless leader Dan Gemus has been up to, go visit his Facebook page. That will tell you the story. We have Ron Bondy from Dominion Lending and the Super Mortgage team on the line with a mortgage tip today. Hi, Ron. How's it going?
Fantastic. How are you ladies doing today?
Awesome.
We're awesome.
Good. Glad to hear it.
So we're talking a little bit today about why someone would want to refinance their home. Why would they want to do that, Ron?
So there are several reasons why somebody would want to do that. Thanks for asking, Joyce.
No problem. Just cue you up.
There you go. All right. So the number one reason would be a lower interest rate. So have a mortgage agent that's able to calculate the cost to make sure that it's worth it. Sometimes, even though the rate might seem attractive, you might have more fees than it is worth refinancing. So, it's always something to look into. If the mortgage rates have dropped, in which they are, they probably have not dropped enough yet for most people to look into that, but definitely the number one reason. Improved credit score. So if you had to take like a B mortgage or a private lender, you and your credit score has increased, and the reason why you did the private lending was because you had a low credit score, so that would be a very good reason to start looking into refinancing. Mm-hmm. Another one is shortening the length of your amortization. So if you had a 30-year mortgage and let's say you just got a new job paying you twice as much, you might want to refinance to a shorter amortization, say 15, to save thousands and thousands, tens of thousands of dollars on interest by doing that. Another strategy to shortening your term would be to use your double ups, and that might be another reason why you can refinance. You can refinance with your payment being lower, not playing with your amortization, but refinancing with a place that has better prepayment options. So you don't have penalties. You can put more down on your mortgage. Cashing out on your house. So if your car breaks down and you need a new car or something, you can refinance your house in order to pull out equity if you don't have the funds in order to replace the car. And on the flip side as well would be high credit card debt or line of credit debt. If you are swimming in debt and it is affecting your life, it's definitely reason to look into refinancing. We talked about shortening your amortization, but if you're struggling, kicking out your amortization, going back up to 25 years or 30 years to ease the trouble of, maybe you took a job that didn't pay as much, or maybe someone in the family has lost their job. So there's, reasons why you would want to stretch out your mortgage, even though financially you're going to be paying for that mortgage a lot longer and you're going to be paying more interest. It just makes more sense to have a happier life. So who doesn't want a happy life, Joyce?
Yeah, exactly. We want to live the dream every day.
Exactly. And that might be one good reason to refinance is just to ease on the purse strings.
Now, I have a question. I'm curious to know, with the number of renewals that are projected to come into play over the next couple of years, are you experiencing a lot of those at this juncture, or what's that looking like just in general for in your world right now?
So in general, right now, a lot of people are refinancing and they're getting sticker shock because, the people that are refinancing today are around the 2.8 range where they were at. And, now they're going to just under 5 as of today. So they're still getting sticker shock because they're doubling the amount of interest that they're paying. and which is increasing their payments by say up to $500-600 a month. So that's a brand new car. That's hard to swallow.
Yeah.
So, we're seeing a lot of people in this instance kicking out their amortization just to keep their quality of life. So, can they make the extra $600 payment? Sure. Do they want to? No. They still want to go out to eat. They still want to enjoy life. And so they decide to do a refinance at that point and kick out their amortization to bring their payments more to where they were for the last 5 years.
Right. And so that's an option for these people, right? That are coming up for the renewals, that have the higher interest rate. That's it. This is precisely what they could or, arguably should do.
Right. 100%. If you are enjoying the quality of life you have and you're not saving $600 a month, well, that $600 a month's got to come from somewhere, right? So you either got to cut back somewhere and degrade your lifestyle that you're doing, or refinance your house to kick out the amortization so that your payments are about what you've been used to paying.
Yeah.
Mind you, you're going to be paying for your house for longer. You definitely have to weigh those options out.
Now, Kath and I were talking about the cost of groceries during the break. So what are the chances that you can re-amortize your mortgage just to pay for your groceries? Because I tell you, the cost of groceries is through the roof.
You could do that, but that might be eating yourself out of house and home.
Literally, right?
Good point.
Oh, that's a good one. Good job, Ron.
Yeah, exactly. Thanks for queuing me up again.
Yeah. No problem. So the next mortgage rate announcement, that's September 4th?
Yes, definitely September. And it's a 50-50 chance whether they're going to lower it again or just hold for this one and then lower again next one. So we'll see, and we'll be here waiting to find out what the Bank of Canada decides to do.
Yeah. Do you have any, with your crystal ball, is it working? Do you have any predictions?
My crystal ball says a hold in September.
Yeah. Okay.
And then a drop at the next one. So, but, my crystal ball does have a crack, so maybe I'm misreading it. But
yeah, I mean, it's so tough to say, right? And it's like a last minute decision. Just when you think sometimes they're going one way, they throw a curveball.
Yeah, exactly. Data comes out, every month. So if something is trending the one month, it might not the next month. So it's you never know.
Yeah, definitely. Ron, if people have questions about what they've heard, or they have questions about just getting a mortgage, refinancing, all of the above, how can they reach you?
They can give me a call on my cell phone at 519-791-2961. They can email me at Ron Bondy at supermortgageteam.ca, or they can get in touch with one of your lovely agents.
Awesome. Perfect. Well, Ron, we appreciate you. Thanks so much once again for coming on and sharing your wisdom with the world.
And thanks for having me.
Perfect. Well, enjoy the rest of your day. That's Ron Bondy, mortgage agent from the Super Mortgage Team at Dominion Lending, whom we appreciate very much. He's helped many of our clients with their financing needs. And what we love about him is he's just on the ball. He, gets back to people right away and schedules appointments with them and gives them advice. And it's wonderful.
Yeah, I love referring him because he always gets back.
Communication is key.
He communicates with them right away, and they're always so thrilled. Oh my God, Ron called me back right this morning. Yep, that's Ron.
Yep, absolutely. Okay, we're going to take another quick break. When we come back, we're giving away a gift card for the Richmond Popcorn Company. Kathy, what caller should we take today?
Number 6.
Okay, caller number 6, 519-792-2559, 519-792-2559. Caller number 6 will win a gift card for the Richmond Popcorn Company. There's still more to come right here on the Dan Gemus Real Estate Show.